Hi gang, this is Miss Hairbrush, and today we're going to draw a chubby blue penguin. When we're all done and when the video's over, we'll give him a name. First I'm going to sketch out the basics, so his body, his face, his tail and wings. I'm just using a regular ballpoint pen here. I'm sure you've got lots of these stuffed in a junk drawer at home, just like I do. Alright, I think I'm ready to darken up these lines. I'll give him some little feet and claws. Put a little smile on him here. How about some cool sunglasses? This dude is so chill. That's pretty much perfect, so let's start coloring. I'm using these watercolor brush pens. They're easy for everyone to use, whether you're a serious artist or maybe you haven't even mastered crayons yet. This is just a starter set, 20 colors, and that's all you need. You could make every color of the rainbow with these. Let's try all these blue pens. With watercolor pens, you just dip them right in a little bowl of water, as I have here, and that will give you a nice light color, really glides across the paper. The more you use the pen, the darker the color will get as the paper absorbs the water. I'm using craft paper today, which absorbs a lot of water, so I'll have to dip a lot. Dip, dip, dip. When you're drawing or coloring, don't worry about messing up. You can always fix a mistake, or just leave it and everyone will think that's exactly the way you wanted it to be. This philosophy works for a lot of things in life. Cooking, PowerPoint presentations, you name it. So I've added some aqua to his tummy there, where it would be shaded, wherever there would be shadows. Now let's do his darker feathers with a medium blue, and we'll just do the whole area first to get started. I'm going to slow the speed down here so you can see how fast I'm going in real life. Okay, that's enough of that. Let's speed it back up. Color those tail feathers. And that little strap of dark feathers under his chin. Now we'll give him some texture by adding lots and lots of little feathers. Just make a little stroke and then do that over and over and over and over and over again. This makes it look like he has real feathers. How many do you think it will take? 1,000? 2,000? That's a pretty high estimate. Some might say an unreasonable estimate. I did the same thing with my tax return last year. Anyway, if you like to count things and have lots of patience, leave a comment and tell us all how many there are for sure. Penguins really are amazing animals. Most of them live where it's cold, but some even live where it's hot. Did you know that? How many different types of penguins do you think there are in the world? It's more than 10, less than 20. If you guessed 16, you're only off by 1. There are 17 types of penguins. So if you guessed 17, you're spot on. I'll color in his little beak and put the dark feathers on his head now. Oops, Whoops, you see, I made a mistake there. But I drew right over it, and you'd never even know it was there. Alright, let's put in some shading now with this dark blue pen. This really makes him pop off the page. The type of penguin we're drawing today is called a chin strap penguin because of the little strap under his chin. So, a gold star to whoever came up with that name. So we'll finish up the shading with the dark blue, and then I'm going to add some more shading with some lime green. Putting in a little color that's different than the main color will make him look more real. Things in nature are rarely just one color. Now I'll take that navy pen and add just a few more feathers to give him even more texture. How about some pink feet? I hear pink feet among penguins is a very nice feature. He's so chill, nothing ever bothers him. He's always showing up late to work every day at the ice cube factory. All the other penguins are like, "Hey, how come he gets to come in late?" And the manager's like, "Because he's the owner's nephew and he can do whatever he wants." Alright, he's all done. I think I'll name him Chiller. I'm Chiller the penguin, what do you think? I wear sunglasses and my feet are pink. Thank you for watching me on the YouTube. Guess I better get back to making the ice cubes. Thanks for watching, everybody. I'll see you on the next video. Let me know in the comments what you want me to draw next.
Don't forget to subscribe.